Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Baker Ben, and today we're embarking on a magical journey to master the art of sourdough bread. Sourdough isn't just baking, it's about life. It all starts with a simple invitation to the world around us using just flour and water. We begin with 50 grams of whole wheat flour and 50 grams of filtered water. Give it a good stir until it's a thick paste. But wait, we aren't alone. Meet Grain, our expert on the tiny science happening inside this jar. Wild yeast and beneficial bacteria are floating in the air and living on the grain. We're giving them a cozy home to grow. For the first 24 hours, we just let it sit, cover it loosely, and let the tiny magical sparks do their work. Now comes the ritual. Every day we discard half and feed the rest. This keeps our community of yeast healthy and hungry. Look, on day 3, someone new has joined us. Meet Bubble, the expressive life force of our sourdough starter. Inside the jar, it's a microscopic party. The yeast and bacteria are dancing, breaking down sugars and creating amazing flavors. By day 7, your starter should be double in size and full of life. When Bubble is this bouncy, it's time to bake. We start the dough by mixing our active starter with flour and water. This is the autolyse phase where the gluten wakes up. Instead of kneading, we use gentle stretch and folds. Every fold builds strength, turning a shaggy mess into a smooth fabric. Now we enter bulk fermentation. The dough rests in a cozy bowl, slowly rising as it traps the gases produced by our friends. Time to shape. We roll the dough into a tight ball, creating tension on the surface. It should feel like a soft, bouncy pillow. The dough now goes into the cold castle, the refrigerator. A slow, cold proof overnight is the secret to that tangy sourdough flavor. The next morning we score the dough. This glowing mark tells the bread exactly where to bloom in the heat of the oven. Into the Dutch oven it goes. The steam trapped inside acts like a spa for the bread, allowing it to expand without cracking. Witness the oven spring. In just minutes, the heat transforms the dough into a towering golden masterpiece. And here is our reward. Listen to that crackle. A perfect crust, a light interior, and a flavor that took a week to create. You've done it. Remember, sourdough is a journey. Keep feeding your starter, and it will keep feeding your soul. Happy baking!